Hi friends, today we are going to see how to rank your website on Google. Assume you own a website and you have a blog page in it. It's for sure that you want your blogs to appear on Google search result. In this video, you will learn how to optimize your website for Google search results, and I will also show you how to rank your site with keywords which you desire. When your site appears on Google result, you automatically receive more visitors. So let's take a look at how Google ranks a website in its search result. Let's take our company webmavens.com and you can see the result in the Google search result. These are the results we receive now when we search something on Google. What are the implications of these results in terms of what Google is looking for? Actually, Google wants its user to be able to find what they are looking for, and they want to provide the users with the best content possible. These results are featured because Google believes they will answer the users' inquiries or solve their questions. So, in order to have your website ranked on Google, we will like to take three small measures. The first one is to create content which can rank on Google. So, in order to develop the content, you must first understand what consumers are seeking for. How do you figure out what people are looking for? All you have to do is go to Google and think about your company. Now let's say we are a web development company and let's search here web development company. Now in order to create content, we should first understand our target audience and also what our target audience are looking for. So we can find our target audience by seeing the results in the search console. So in India, so this is our target audience. Let us paste our keyword there. Now what our target audience are looking for? Best web development company in India. So in order to rank on Google, you need to create content on your website which answer your users' question. So now we have to develop content for this question, best web development company in India. So now to create content, you have to go to the blog page in WordPress and add the title here, best web development company in India. After that, you can add the content below here like this. You can also give heading which helps your user to read your content more easier. You can also add images which make your blog attractive. After adding the content and images, you can publish your blog post and it will be live. This is how you can create content that answer users' question and can rank on Google. Now the second part is to make your site look good when it appears in search result. This will be shown in another video. So you have to stay tuned in our channel for getting further updates.